In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Paybis account. Now, the first thing you can do is click the link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, which will actually take you to the official Paybis website. And then on here, you can then create an account by clicking the sign in button top right. And then from here, you want to select the register button down here at the bottom. After you do that here, you're going to have to select if you want to sign up for a personal or corporate account. I'm going to do personal. You want to click here, type in your email, and then press continue. After this, you will basically receive a code to your email. So just go to your email, and then in there, you're going to see a big code inside your email, and you want to actually copy or just basically memorize and paste the code in here. And then you're going to get sent to the next step where you basically have to put in your phone number as well. Now, for me, I did not have to do this because I already have done that and I have my account created already. So essentially, I just signed in. But if you actually do it for the first time, you're going to have to put in your phone number. You're going to have to agree to a few things, to their privacy policy and to their terms and conditions and stuff like that. And after you do that, you'll be able to basically get access to your member area over here where you can then create your purchases and stuff like that. You can watch tutorials on my channel on how to do this too. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.